What is Clickbank and how does it work? If you ever heard of affiliate marketing, this website Clickbank is essentially just an affiliate marketplace. So how does it work? First off, you need to create an account. I already have one, so I'm just going to use it and log in here to showcase how you can go from creating an account to promoting a product and earning commissions. So right here, I have logged into my account. So how does this work? You want to go to the affiliate marketplace, and here is where you can find all of the products which you can advertise and then earn commissions for when people buy them, right? So you want to go to top offers, and here is where you can select a product to promote. So if you want to make sure or do research about the product, you can go to the affiliate page right here, and then you can look at the different products. So this is ProDentum. Then you got Exipure. Click on affiliate page and you can start to research this product. Now, let's say you've done your research and you're satisfied with one product and you wanna market it. How do you do that? If you wanna bring it to people's attention, all you have to do is first create your hop link. I have a separate video on my channel what a hop link is, but essentially it is a link which is tracked back to you. So if you refer some people through a link which you've left in the description of a video or somewhere else in a post, that link is being traced back to you. So if you refer them and they make a purchase, that information or that money they've spent, you earn a commission for it. That is the simplest way of explaining it. So if you wanna promote a product, you gotta click on promote. You have to write your nickname account, which you have to create an account beforehand. I forgot to show you this, but you have to create an account right here on the left side. There is an option to create an account if you don't already have one. So you go back, let's take this for example, promote, you write your nickname account. It is a super simple process. It takes like 15 seconds to create an account name, and then just create hop link, right? And this is your hop link. This is the link you can use to convince people how good a product is, of course, if you truly believe in it. And then when they click on it, if they end up making a purchase, you earn a commission for it. And a little tip I can give you is just shorten the link, right? You can use bit.ly, which is a website or a URL shortener. Now, if you shorten the URL, it can look more professional, and people, if they have to type it out, they can just type that link out, and they don't have to write this sussy super long link, right? 2b80, no, all they have to write is this bit.ly.com/become lean. This is the shortened URL which I have created, so it looks more appealing to people. It is still being traced and it gets you more clicks. So that is how you begin from scratch and how you promote a product. First off, you need to create a Clickbank account. Then you want to set a nickname, click on top offers, decide on the product you want to promote, click on promote, write your nickname account, get a hop link, then copy it and start pasting it wherever you want. Be it Instagram posts, Facebook posts, TikTok, YouTube, wherever you feel like you might advertise a product and end up making a sale. Now, it's a tricky situation with free traffic, but if you already have a following, I think you can convert potential views into purchases. So this is what Clickbank is. It is an affiliate marketplace. You promote products and you earn money for it. I hope this video was useful. Make sure you leave a like if it was, and I'll see you next time. Take care.